Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal and you're watching Nifty and Bank Nifty short-term view. Welcome to the starting of the new week. If you're a full-time trader, I guess you'd be loving the start of the new week. Would love Mondays because a full-time trader, a hot-blooded full-time trader would never like to stay away from the markets, right? Anyways, let's start today's video with the Nifty daily and the hourly time frame charts. On the hourly time frame charts, we can clearly see that the trend is pretty much choppy. You can say it's sideways within a range of probably 18,634 and on the downside it's 18,557 or 18,556. So overall it's choppy in the hourly time frame charts, but the good news is that we are still holding above the support of 18,550, 18,540. The more we stay above 18,550, 18,540, the chances are higher that we will be able to stay above this support. And in case if we stay above this support, maybe for next couple of days, we don't break this, then maybe we could test maybe 50 to 100 points higher from here also. If at all we break this support of 18,530, then there is a decent chance that we'll be going towards 18,450. You can see this is the next support in the hourly time frame charts. You can see this is the previous low. All right. Now, if you check the daily time frame charts, it's clearly visible that the candles on Thursday and the Friday were not so good. They were actually bearish candles. But although we are still holding above this particular support band, which is there in the hourly time frame charts, today's candle is pretty much, you can say, a spinning top. We have been able to close 38 points in positive, but the candle is not extremely encouraging for the bulls. It is actually it is a sort of bullish harami, and bullish harami which is made at the top of the trend is not actually bullish. Okay. There is also a negative divergence which is visible in the daily time frame charts. You can see higher high in price, lower high in RSI. But all of these negative divergences will only work if we break this support and if the prices start moving lower with a big red candle. Otherwise, there is no point of giving extreme high importance to this negative divergence. If you check Bank Nifty has closed 45 points in minus. Overall, if you see, the momentum is lacking. If you check the way RSI is moving is pretty much on the downside, but it is not one way down. It is pretty much sideways. Even if you check when prices have been able to break this particular trend line, I'll just try to magnify this particular hourly time frame chart. You can see prices are trading within a uptrending channel which has been broken today, but the candle over here is not a very big red candle. It is sort of a hammer, and that hammer is due to this particular 127.20% Fibonacci extension and even these candle clusters. So if we close below it with a pretty big red candle, then the next level which could be tested would be this particular low. I can understand that the difference between one particular level and the other level is very, very less. And the reason for that is we might have come from a level of 44,463 to 43,884. But the way we have come down, it has been one big down, just jump from the upper prices, then again a bounce, and then we are just consolidating and trying to come down. If it was a high momentum fall, then probably we could have gone down much lower. All right. So overall, yes, we are choppy, we are range bound, but we are still holding above this small support. Break below this with a big red candle will bring us lower down till 43,700, 43,720. Okay. Now, overall, according to me, the markets are very much stock and sector specific. Now, if you check within all these sectors, there is one sector which has been able to provide some sort of support to the markets, which I had also mentioned in my weekly sectoral analysis, and that is IT. IT pack, I can understand it is not looking extremely attractive. If you check the hourly time frame charts, the trend is flat. Neither it is up, neither it is down, because the prices have just come down, went up, they came down, and again they're trying to go up. But if you check, there is a positive divergence over here in comparison to the price. That is one big positive sign. Second positive sign is that they are holding above this particular support band. I'll just try to share the coordinates, and the coordinates of 28,474 to 28,245. Till the time we are holding above this support level, this support band, I think things are okay for IT pack. But you need to understand, as a trader, you will not be able to participate in any stock from IT. You'll have to be very, very choosy about the stock which you're picking for a short-term swing trade on the upside. One stock from my side today is L&T Technology Services. You can see this stock has been consolidating. It is in a strong uptrend over here. After a strong uptrend, one big red candle, it has been consolidating. Most of the times, once the trend is up, and then if the consolidation comes, the next move which is going to come, probability is that the next move will also be on the upside. Now, if you check, it is in an uptrending channel. Most of the times when it is touching the lower band, the prices are trying to bounce back, correct? Which has happened even in last 2 days. Now, what we need to understand in the hourly time frame charts is, hourly time frame charts has been able to give a very good breakout. Plus, if I convert this particular chart into a line chart, there is a decent positive divergence. This is not a very big positive divergence, but it is decent enough. It has been able to surpass its previous high in the hourly time frame charts. And if I convert this chart into candlestick charts, it has been able to surpass even this particular high with decent volumes. If you check the volume over here, I'll just remove this pin markings. If you check the volume is pretty high over here. So this is a volume breakout. This is not just a price breakout. This is a volume breakout. What we need over here is the price to stay above this particular level for as long as possible tomorrow. If it stays above this level for a pretty decent time tomorrow, and if it closes above it, it's even better. And the level could be somewhere around, we can say 3,900 or 3,910. If that is possible, then you will see a decent momentum in this stock on the upside. All right. So try to understand that, yes, we are trading above the support in the Nifty. Overall markets are choppy. Be extremely choosy in, which stock to pick, which sector to trade. Be very, very choosy, because overall momentum is not present in the market right now. As of now, my eyes are on IT pack. But again, I'm not just going to trade any particular stock. I'll be very, very choosy which particular stock I'm going to pick. And from the auto pack, I guess I have already mentioned Ashok Leyland is looking good. The trade is still going on. Yes, today and yesterday it was a consolidation day, but the swing trade is still going on. And once I guess we surpass this particular high, probably we'll be seeing even higher levels. All right. So I hope this video has helped you to understand how markets might move in the next couple of days, and even for picking your stocks. If you feel this video has been of help to you, then share it with other people also. Trade well. Take care, guys.